Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Cubera Snapper. Things you need for this video is going to be your paper, pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. Alright, first thing we're going to start for our Cubera Snapper is going to be the eye. So we're going to draw a circle up right here. I'm going to draw another circle inside. And we're gonna draw like a U shape under it. Then we're gonna draw one bump, then another bump, then one that goes all the way over here. It goes down, then it goes over here. Then you're gonna add a curved line right here. Then over here, we're gonna draw like a L shape. Kind of, but it's backwards, and then we're gonna draw kind of like it's a bubble one. Then inside they have teeth. So we're gonna draw one sharp one, a big sharp one, and another sharp one. Then down here we're just gonna draw some small ones. Then right here we're gonna draw just a black blob kinda. Now here we're gonna draw a line that goes all the way to here. We're gonna draw diagonal line. I'm just gonna draw like a 3 shape kinda. Then right here we're gonna draw another line that goes all the way to here, and it goes up. Then we're gonna draw another 3 shape, and then we're gonna add some lines. Then the bottom line's gonna continue until right here. Then it's gonna go right there, because there's like a space for a fin. Now here we're gonna draw one of the fins. We're gonna draw a curved line around here. It's gonna go out to here. We're gonna curve it around into a circle with a black dot. Then we're just gonna add the lines. Then since right here it said there's a big space, we're gonna draw a little tiny little spike, and we're gonna draw a big one with, of course, lines in it. And right here, we're gonna extend that line out to here. Then we're gonna draw just a flat line. But then inside you can add some like little V's that are sideways. Then of course you add lines. Then we're gonna add a little big blob at the bottom and then a little one at the top. Then we're gonna add 2 triangle shapes. Trust you, that's gonna look better once I outline. Then we're gonna draw kind of a little spike, then it gets taller, then it gets shorter. Then we're gonna connect them with a U in each one. Then we're gonna make a big N shape that looks like it's gonna go all the way to here, but then it's gonna go in. Then of course, like always, we're gonna draw lines, and we're gonna draw 2 black blobs at the top. Then we're gonna draw one little spike, but then it's gonna just turn into this and add lines. But that spike is actually gonna be black. And then in the middle of it, you're just gonna draw 2 lines as many as you can fit until you get at least right here. Yeah, this is what your outline, not your outline, your sketch should look like. I'm gonna fast forward through the outlining, and then I'm showing you what colors you will need. Alright, this is what your outlining of your Cubera Snapper should look like. Now I'm going to be showing you the colors. So you're going to need a yellow, put it back. And you're going to need a yellowish orange color, a red, and a darker red. These should be all your colors. Wait, no. You need an orange. These should be all your colors. I'll fast forward through all this coloring. Don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. This is what your drawing of your Cubera Snapper should look like when you have finished. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And wait, I forgot to do one thing. These white spaces are actually yellow. I know I was forgetting something. Okay, now this is what it should actually look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.